Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to my viewers. It's the time for another weekend ride. Today we are traveling to Bhavali Dam, which is in Igatpuri, Nashik. Some of you must have already watched my previous videos, so this is my first attempt to give a voiceover and I hope it goes well. And for the viewers who haven't already watched my previous videos, do watch them, share, like and subscribe to my channel. And do let me know your reviews in the comment section. So without wasting any more time, let's ride. You can see we are a couple of friends here today on this ride. We are out on our motorcycles and a couple of them in a car. Our plan today is to visit first McDonald's and then move towards Bhavali Dam. The weather seems to be windy, no rains as of now, but that's never sure. Igatpuri is known for monsoon, so we can expect a heavy rainfall there. Let's see how things go. is just amazing. You can see it's literally pouring down here. Heavy rainfall is expected. This is what we were here for. Sometime before it was clear, no rains, and then this. Awesome. It was worth coming here today. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe, and see you soon in another video.